Welcome back to Grace Meets Globe, where I share the best travel tips and hacks. Before we proceed, please do me a huge favor by hitting that subscribe button. As a new YouTuber, I would appreciate your support. Let's get straight into today's video. Today, I'm hooking you up with 10 genius carry-on hacks that airlines don't want you to know. We're talking secret compartments, sneaky packing tactics, and loopholes you won't believe exist. Get ready to save money and save space. So, buckle up. Get ready to travel like a pro. Also, check the description for product recommendations. Hack number 1, the hidden layers trick. Jackets with a million pockets, your new best friend. Airlines can't charge you for what you're wearing. Layer up. Snacks in your sleeve pockets. Phone charger in a secret pocket. It's like a magic trick. Breeze past security like a boss. This hack is a game changer for budget airlines. This next hack is for my fellow overpackers out there. Say hello to the pillowcase hack. Just grab a regular pillowcase and start filling it with soft, squishable items. Think clothes, towels, even stuffed animals if you're feeling cuddly. A pillowcase doesn't count as luggage. Just casually drape it over your arm or stuff it in your tote bag, and boom, you've got yourself a whole extra bag's worth of space. Airlines probably hate me for sharing this one, but hey, a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do to avoid those checked bag fees. Now, if you're anything like me, you love a good airport shopping spree. But here's a little secret. Those duty-free bags are more than just a fashion statement. They're basically like a secret weapon in the fight against stingy airline baggage policies. Duty-free bags rarely count toward your carry-on allowance. So go ahead. Treat yourself to that giant Toblerone bar and those overpriced sunglasses. You deserve it. Just don't tell them I told you about this one, okay? Let's keep it between us. Next, compression hack. No bags needed. Compression bags can be a lifesaver, but you can achieve the same space-saving magic with just a few rubber bands. Roll your clothes up tightly, like little clothing burritos, and secure each roll with a rubber band. This method is surprisingly effective and way faster than messing around with vacuum-sealed bags. Sometimes those compression bags have a mind of their own and decide to uncompress at the worst possible moment. So ditch the bulky bags and embrace the power of the roll. Your suitcase and your sanity will thank you. Free bag upgrade at the gate. The Gate Check Gambit. This hack is for procrastinators. It's called the Gate Check Gambit. Airlines offer free checked bags at the gate if overhead bins are full. Pack everything into your carry-on. Linger near the check-in counter. They might ask for volunteers to check bags for free. Boom. Free checked bag, no fees. 6. Digital weight check. Avoid airport surprises. Weighing your bag at the airport can be stressful, but you can avoid that with the digital weight check. Just grab your trusty bathroom scale and weigh your bag before you even leave the house. If it's over the limit, no problem. Start strategically shifting items into your pockets or your personal item. It's like a game of Tetris, but with your luggage. No more airport anxiety. You'll be the picture of calmness and serenity as you breeze past the check-in counter. Let's be honest. Packing light is hard. But you know what makes it a million times easier? Packing smart. And that's where double-duty items come in. We're talking about those magical items that can serve multiple purposes, like a scarf that doubles as a blanket or a pair of shoes with hidden storage compartments. Instead of packing a separate towel, bring a sarong. It can be a beach cover-up, a picnic blanket, a makeshift curtain. The possibilities are endless. So ditch those single-use items and embrace the power of multifunctionality. your suitcase, and your inner minimalist will thank you. This next hack is for anyone whose heart is broken by the TSA's 311 rule for liquids. Frozen liquids are totally TSA friendly, so go ahead. Pack that full-size bottle of shampoo or that giant tub of moisturizer. As long as it's frozen solid, you're good to go. Just make sure to pack it in a leak-proof bag, just in case it starts to melt a little bit on the way to the airport. And who knows, maybe you'll even have some cold water to drink on the plane. Most airlines let you bring a personal item in addition to your carry-on bag. This hack is all about maximizing that personal item space. Cleverly designed under-seat bags fit all your essentials. And then some. Your laptop, tablet, chargers, snacks, book, water bottle. It all fits. The best part? It still fits comfortably under the seat in front of you, so you don't have to worry about fighting for overhead bin space. All right, let's be honest. Airport food is expensive. But guess what? You don't have to pay those ridiculous prices. There's a loophole, and it involves a very unlikely hero: the reusable food container. You can bring your own snacks through airport security, as long as they're in a reusable container. Pack yourself a feast. Sandwiches, fruit, veggies, nuts, granola bars. The possibilities are endless. Your wallet and your stomach will thank you. Being nice and friendly can often get you a favor. For example, when I was traveling in Toronto, just speaking to the airport staff, they let me check in my carry-on for free. Additionally, being polite and patient can sometimes get you seat upgrades, extra snacks, or even access to lounges. Always remember, a smile and a kind word can go a long way in making your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. And there you have it, 10 genius carry-on hacks that airlines don't want you to know. Check the description for product recommendations on achieving these hacks. Hopefully, these tips will help you save money, space, and stress on your next trip. If you found these hacks helpful, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Grace Meets Globe for more travel tips and tricks. Please help me reach 2,000 subscribers by the end of the month. Thank you. Thanks for watching and happy travels.